Hello, I'm Jongbin Park, and today I will talk about noise in pavement. So in today's presentation, I will talk about how pavement noise is generated and measurement equipment and method used by engineers, cost consideration and safety consideration, and then talk about Texas use and example. So pavement noise mainly comes from the interaction between vehicle tires and the pavement surface. When vehicles travel at higher speeds, tire-pavement interaction becomes the dominant source of noise, even more than engine noise. This issue is particularly noticeable in urban highways, where traffic noise can affect nearby residents and community. Pavement noise is generated mainly through two mechanisms. The first mechanism is tire vibration. As the tire rolls over the pavement surface, it regulates in the pavement cause the tire is vibrate and produce sounds. The second mechanism is air pumping. Air gets trapped between the tire and the pavement surface, and when the tire moves forward, that air is rapidly compressed and released. So, so engineers use several methods to measure pavement noise. One common method is OBSI, that's mean of on-board sounds intensity. This system places microphones near the tire to directly measure the sounds generated at the tire pavement interface. Another method is roadside sounds level meters, which measure pass-by noise from vehicles at the current distance from the roadway. When choosing quieter pavement surface, engineers must consider cost. Quiet pavement technology often avoid trade-off between initial cost, performance, and maintenance. Another method used on concrete pavement is diamond grading, which restores surface texture and can reduce noise while improving ride quality. Next is safety. PFC help improve wet weather driving conditions by reducing hydroplaning risk and splash and spray. Diamond grading can also improve skid receipt and ride quality, which are critical from highway safety. For this slide, how Texas used this. They constructed thousands of miles of PFC across the state. Those surfaces have shown benefits such as reduces hydroplaning, low splash and spray. Additionally, they have conducted research to measure pavement noise statewide and develop guidelines for quiet pavement design. For conclusions, pavement noise is mainly caused by tire-pavement interaction and surface texture. Engineers measure that noise using methods such as OBSI systems and roadside sound level meters. In Texas, technologies like PFC and diamond gratings are widely used to reduce noise, while also improving safety and pavement performance. Finally, here are three quick questions that review the key concept. First is, at highway speed, what is the main source of pavement noise? Answer is B, tire-pavement interaction. Second is, which Texas pavement surface is widely used and associated with reduced splash, spray, and low noise? Answer is B, PFC. Third one is, What measurement method places microphones near the tire to capture tire pavement noise directly? Answer is A. OBSI. This is a reference, and thank you. Thank you for listening.